Ooh, unboxing. Unboxing. Congdon's Doughnuts. Wells, Maine. Unboxing. What I have here is a 12-pack of the famous Congdon's Doughnuts. So we're going to take a good look at the insides of this box. What that would be are these glorious, glorious donuts. Yum. Individually wrapped, fresh donuts. It looks like, yes, all 12 are here. We have combinations going on. Oh yes, little Bavarian cream, should I say? Yes. I can already tell what these are. We went with 2s here. Look at that. Luscious filled blueberry donuts. 2 raspberries. Cream filled. Luscious. Look at the size of that thing. Oh yeah. Ooh, chocolate frosted. Covered. If you haven't had these yet, anywhere in Maine, oh, chocolate coconut. Oh, what you're missing. I imagine if you were already up there on vacation, you would have had these. A couple lemon filled. Strawberry filled. The size of these puppies. The size of them. Last but not least, this would be a lemon. That was the last one we got. So, show you the size, what you actually get, what they look like. And these things are loaded with yummy goodness inside. So, next time you're in Wells, Maine, outside of Algonquin, check out Congdon's Doughnuts. One of the take-homes must-haves when you go visit. Peace!